That's the bones of a fireplace screen. Is that correct, John?
That's a fireplace screen, or it will be when I'm done with it.
And that is the world's only trash-powered forge. As far as we know, right?
Right.
They might have one in China we don't know about it.
Or India, maybe.
Or India. That's halfway there. Tell me, I guess, having grown up around steel, do you feel like is there a fear factor that people have to overcome to get into blacksmithing, or that you didn't have to overcome because you'd seen this kind of work? Or
there are some people say it's genetic, that you're either a hot metal man or you're not. I guess I am. I've never been especially afraid of heat. Yeah, burned myself, of course, but I don't know. Maybe it's in my blood.